Next questions. After
हेलो
question
गाइस,
1.
वेलकम टू माय यूट्यूब चैनल निकीज किचन। तो आज हम क्लास 10th ICSE बायोलॉजी बुक चैप्टर नंबर 1 एक्सरसाइज नंबर 1 क्वेश्चन नंबर 2 सॉल्व करेंगे। मैंने क्वेश्चन 1 इससे पहले वाले वीडियो में सॉल्व किया है, आप हमारे चैनल पे जाकर उसे देख सकते हैं। तो चलिए स्टार्ट करते हैं क्वेश्चन नंबर 2। लेट्स गेट started. Okay, so here the question is find odd one out. What is the question? Find odd one out. Okay, so first part is growth of cell, synthesis of DNA, synapses and synthesis of proteins. Okay, so here what is odd? Synapses, because it occurs in interphase, because it occurs in M phase and other takes place in इंटरफेज। ओके, मतलब ये वाला जो है वो ये एम फेज में होता है और बाकी के इंटरफेज में होते हैं। तो चलिए नेक्स्ट, साइनैप्सिस, क्रॉसिंग ओवर, काइज्मा फॉर्मेशन एंड इंटरकैनेसिस। ओके, सो हेयर इट इज इंटरकैनेसिस। व्हाई? बिकॉज इट इज इन रेस्टिंग फेज। Why? Because it is in resting phase. Okay, never get confused. Aster formation. Now third part, aster formation, spindle formation. Okay, disappearance of nucleus and फॉर्मेशन ऑफ इक्वेटोरियल प्लेट। तो सो एज वी मतलब आपने चैप्टर पढ़ा होगा तो आपको पता होगा कि फॉर्मेशन ऑफ इक्वेटोरियल प्लेट किस में होता है। तो चलिए रीज़न देखते हैं। बिकॉज अदर आर द पार्ट ऑफ प्रोफेज, जो बाकी के हैं वो प्रोफेज के पार्ट हैं और ये किसका है? मेटाफेज का। ओके, नाउ फोर्थ पार्ट, splitting of centrosome, formation of daughter chromosome, reappearance of nucleoles. Okay, so here it is reappearance of nucleoles. Why? Because it is a part of telophase. Why? Because it is a part of telophase and rest are the part of anaphase. Okay, now fifth part, prophosphate, RNA, sugar, nitrogenous base. So here it is RNA. Why? Because rest are structural component of DNA. Why? Because rest are structural component of DNA. Now sixth part, centrosome, cell wall, cell membrane, large vacuoles. So it is centrosome. What is all here? Centrosome. Why? Because rest. Why? Because rest are the part of animal cell. Why? Because rest are the part of animal cell. Now third question, in which stage of karyokinesis of mitosis of the following events occur. Okay, मतलब इसमें बताना है कि ये जो इवेंट्स गिवन है ये कौन कौन सी स्टेज में होते हैं कायरोकिनेसिस के। तो पहला है न्यूक्लियर एनवलप डिसअपियर्स। न्यूक्लियर एनवलप कब डिसअपियर होता है? वो मेटाफेज में डिसअपियर होता है। इट डिसअपियर्स इन मेटाफेज। ना सेकेंड, रीअपियरेंस ऑफ न्यूक्लियोल्स। रीअपियरेंस ऑफ न्यूक्लियोल्स कब होता है? जब टीलोफेज होता है, तो दैट्स टीलोफेज। ओके, नाउ थर्ड पार्ट, फॉर्मेशन ऑफ इक्वेटोरियल प्लेट। हमने अभी पीछे यहाँ पे किया था ना, कहाँ गया? ये देखिए, इक्वेटोरियल प्लेट कब फॉर्म होती है? मेटाफेज में। फॉर्मेशन ऑफ इक्वेटोरियल में मेटाफेज। फॉर्मेशन ऑफ मूवमेंट्स फॉर्मेशन एंड मूवमेंट्स ऑफ एस्टर्स towards the opposite poles, that is prophase. What is that? Prophase. Now fifth part, uncoiling and elongation. Uncoiling and elongation of chromosomes. What? Chromosomes. So that is telophase. Telophase. Okay, now sixth part, splitting of centrosome and movement of daughter chromosomes. What? Movement of daughter chromosomes. Okay, towards opposite poles. So the answer is anaphase. What is the answer? Anaphase. Now let's see fourth question. Who coined term mitosis and meiosis? Who coined? That is Walter Fleming. Okay, but always we write, but usually everyone write feminine. Okay, only feminine. So the spelling of feminine is Fleming, Fleming. Okay, now सो ओनली सिर्फ एक ही लोगों ने तो कॉइन किया नहीं था, किसने किसने किया था? फ्लेमिंग, फार्मर, मोर. ओके, फ्लेमिंग, फार्मर एंड मोर. ओके, नाउ नेम द सेल डिवीजन दैट टेक्स प्लेस ड्यूरिंग गैमेटोजेनेसिस. ओके, what is its significance? So that is, so गैमेटोजेनेसिस हमें पता था, पीछे डिफरेंस एक दिया गया था, उसमें लिखा हुआ था कि कहाँ होता है, तो मायोसिस में होता है. इट अकर्स इन मायोसिस एंड आंसर इज रिटन ऑन 1.18. वेट, आई एम शोइंग यू. Yes guys, wait for a minute, I am showing you. It is given on page number 1.18. Okay, so we have opened this page. Now let's discuss it. So answer 5, उसका significance था, तो meiosis plays a significant role. इसका sentence बना के लिखना पड़ेगा आपको, वरना एग्जाम में आपके मार्क्स डिडक्ट हो सकते हैं. और याद रखिएगा कीवर्ड हमेशा ब्लैक से लिखिएगा एग्जाम में. ओके, significant role in gametogenesis. See, in gametogenesis, as it helps in reproduction. significant role क्या प्ले करता है कि वो reproduction में help करता है, as it helps in reproduction. Now come on, question number 6. So pairing of homologous chromosomes is known as what? Synapses. What is known as synapses? Okay, and takes place in, where does it take place? It takes place in prophase. Okay, now cross dash is the mutual exchange of corresponding parts of non-sister chromatids. Okay, non-sister, notice this, non-sister chromatids. So that is, and mutual exchange. What type of exchange that is? Mutual exchange. So the answer is crossing over. Okay, now third, after crossing over the points of attachment, between non-sister chromatids are called what? It is called chiasmata. Okay, CHIASMATA. Okay, now fourth part, meiosis 1 is also known as what? It is known as reductional division. Okay, and meiosis 2 is known as what? So meiosis 1 is known as reductional division, meiosis 2 is known as equatorial division. Which type of division? That's equatorial division. Okay, now fifth part, dash are two strands. What is that? Two strands like structure of one chromosome which are attached at a point is known as what? So DNA are the two strands, and what is known as centromere. Okay, now let's discuss seventh question. So define the following term. What is given? Define the following term is, it is given on page number 1.12. See, cell. Okay, the smallest unit of structure and function of living organism. What is cell? The smallest unit of structure and function of living organism. Okay, now what is B part? It is cell organelle. We will discuss this later. Okay, we will discuss it later. Now C part, mitosis is given on page number 1.12. see, a type of cell division in which a cell divides into two daughter cells, okay, into two daughter cells, each containing same number of chromosome as present in parent cell. Okay, now what is D part? Sorry, D part. It is meiosis. What is that? It is meiosis. So it is type of cell division which are diploid, okay, in which a diploid cell divides into four haploid daughter cells, divide into four, okay, daughter cells in two successive divisions. Okay, now E part. What is evolution? What is evolution? It is given on page number 1.18. So let's see it. Evolution. Wait a minute. The formation of new species from pre-existing ones by modifications in them is called evolution. Okay, now F part. What is crossing over? Same page. All the changes. Crossing over is a mutual exchange. What is a crossing? It is a mutual exchange of corresponding parts of non-sister chromatids. Okay, now next part. Let's see. What is the next? It is karyokinesis. It given on same page. All the changes. 1 minute. That is all the changes in nucleus that occurs during cell division are collectively called karyokinesis. Okay, what is called karyo part? What is diploid? डिफाइन करना है, ठीक है. तो ये भी 1.12 पे गिवन है. सी, a cell in the nucleus of which chromosome are present in the form of pairs. How many pairs? 2. दो मिला के pairs बनाते हैं. Okay, now what is interphase? Define interphase मतलब. Okay, so here it is given on the same page. Non-dividing metabolically active preparatory period or growth period of a newly formed cell up to beginning of its karyokinesis. Okay, now let's discuss question number 8. Differentiate between mitosis in animal cell and plant cell. Okay, so let's see it. Wait a minute. Yes class, now see the difference in animal cell and plant cell. What? Mitosis in animal cells and plant cell. Okay, now in animal cell, spindle formed is amphiastral. What is that? Amphiastral. And in plant cell, spindle formed is anastral. Okay, now kytokinesis takes place by the constriction in the cytoplasm. Okay, and in plant cell, kytokinesis proceeds from center towards periphery. Okay, now the second difference, what is given here, the question, mitosis and meiosis. So let's see difference in mitosis and meiosis. It produces two daughter cells. What? Mitosis produces two daughter cells and meiosis produces four daughter cells. Okay, now see, it occurs continuously throughout the life. Okay, it occurs continuously throughout the life, and it occurs only in reproductively active age. Okay, now third is, what is third? Centrosome and centromere. What is that? Centrosome and centromere. So let's see the difference in centrosome and centromere. So centrosome is an organelle consisting of two centrioles, and centromere is a highly constricted region on the centrosome. Now it is present only in metazoans, okay, and it is present in all eukaryotes, okay. Yes, now the D part of differentiate is cytokinesis and karyokinesis. So let's see. Cytokinesis is the cytoplasmic division. What is that? It is a cytoplasmic division. And karyokinesis is a nuclear division. It is a final step in cell division, and it is the initial step in cell division, okay. Now what is the next question? So the next question is how mitosis differ in what plant cell and animal cell. So as you can see that this question is same as this question, so the answer will be same. Wait, I am showing. This answer will be same. In animals spindle are formed is amphiestral, and in plant cells spindle formed is anestral. And in cytokinesis takes place by the constriction in cytoplasm, and cytokinesis proceeds from center towards periphery, okay. Now next question, let's see it. What is meant by cell cycle? Discuss its various stages, okay. So cell cycle, wait, I'm showing you the answer. See, cell cycle. A cell cycle is a series of events that takes place in a cell as it grows and divides. The stages of cell cycle are interphase and mitotic phase. Interphase are divided into some phases, okay. So let's discuss that also. So some stages of interphase are G1 phase, G2 phase and S phase, okay. And mitotic phase is also known as M phase. M phase कैसे ये नाम दिया गया? फेज का फेज, माइटोटिक का M phase. So they are prophase, metaphase, anaphase and telophase. Thank you students. We will discuss next 10 questions in next video, okay.